Hi guys, it's Heather from Pat O'Brien Chevrolet, and today I want to show you one of our biggest trucks on the lot that we have right now. It's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This Silver Beast has the Z71 package, which makes it about 4 feet taller than I am. We took it in on trade recently and has 56,000 miles on it. It's so super duper clean and just beautiful. I love it. So I wanted to show you the exterior so you can see exactly what kind of condition this thing is in. And of course, we've got those beautiful 18-inch aluminum wheels. Got our chrome round running boards. And there's just so much room in the back of this truck. Load it up with all your friends or your work stuff, whatever you need. I'm gonna just give you a sneak peek of the interior as well. And this does feature a CD player. Woohoo! So, jet black cloth interior. It does have remote start on it, as well as the 10-way power driver's seat. It's a beautiful truck, just a baby when you think about the mileage and the model year. It's a great value for everybody right now. If you have a salesperson already, please feel free to contact them. Otherwise, if you need to talk to somebody about this, give me a call on my direct line. It's 440-657-3820. Again, it's Heather at Pat O'Brien. Thanks so much.